Good morning, guys. This is the current affairs session for 14 October 2019 and today is Monday. So, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope Sunday went well. So, let's start learning because today is Monday, isn't it? So, start our current affair. First is a joint military exercise between India and Japan. That is Dharma Garjan 2019. Just remember the name of the military exercise that is being happening between India and Japan, and that is Dharma Garjan 2009 and will be organized in Mizoram from 19th of October to 2nd of November. 19th of October to 2nd of November. And it will be a 2-week long exercise. So Dharma Garjan, that is between India and Japan and conducted in Mizoram. So Japan is an island country in East Asia and located in the Pacific Ocean. It lies off the eastern coast of the Asian continent and stretches from the Sea of Okhotsk in the north to the East China Sea and Philippine Sea in the south. And its capital is Tokyo and currency is Japanese yen. And these currencies are also very important as per your exam, competitive exam points of view. And this is the flag of Japan. Then Mizoram is a state in northeastern India and its capital is Aizawl. And this Mizoram name is derived from two words, Mizo, and that is the name of the native inhabitants, and Ram, this means land. That is, Mizoram means land of the Mizos. So currently the governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Okay. Then next, Jammu and Kashmir government to start telemedicine service. What is that? Telemedicine service in Srinagar to improve medical facilities. And all medical institutes will be connected under this scheme. Sher-e-Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences and Government Medical College Srinagar will be upgraded under this scheme. When it comes to Jammu and Kashmir, then you should note that currently Article 370 is in focus. Why? Because the government of India revealed the special status accorded to Jammu and Kashmir, that is under Article 370 of our Indian Constitution. And the Parliament of India passed the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act, which seeks to dissolve the state and reorganize it into two union territories. So what are they? Jammu and Kashmir in the west, first union territory. And second one is Ladakh in the east. So in west we have Jammu and Kashmir, that is first union territory, and the second is Ladakh in the east. And that will commence or come into effect from 31st October 2019. Clear? So Article 370, that is giving special status to Jammu Kashmir, is being repealed, and the union territories are to be reorganized from 31st October 2019, and they are Jammu and Kashmir in the west and Ladakh in the east. And currently the governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Satyapal Malik. Well guys, if you like this current affairs session, then do subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends, of course, because that will help them also. Okay, next, one static GK. As you already got that, I'm trying to include at least one GK, static GK, in every current affairs session, and those are really very important ones. Now, today the static GK is in Stone Age, the microliths were most commonly found in Mesolithic era. So, microliths were most commonly found in Mesolithic era. So, sometime question may be coming like, in which era microliths were found, and that is in Mesolithic era. Well, what is microlith? A microlith is a small stone tool usually made of flint or chert and typically a centimeter or so in length, that is very small, and half a centimeter wide. You look at this picture, these are some microliths. Got it? And Mesolithic era. In old world archaeology, Mesolithic is the period between the Upper Paleolithic and the Neolithic. That has been preceded by Paleolithic, Upper Paleolithic, and followed by Neolithic. So it is in between them. So this period is also known as end of Stone Age, and dates are 20,000 to 8,000 BP in Southwest Asia and 15,000 to 5,000 BP in Europe. Well, what is BP? BP stands for before present. And before present years is a time scale used mainly in archaeology, geology, and other scientific disciplines to specify when events occurred in the past. Got it? So, because the present time changes, so standard practice is to use 1st January 1950 as the commencement date, epoch of the A scale, and is reflecting the origin of the practical radiocarbon dating in the 1950s. Clear? So, this Mesolithic era is being preceded by Upper Paleolithic, as I have already said, and followed by Neolithic. So it is in between Upper Paleolithic and Neolithic, and it is also known as end of Stone Age. So this statistic is clear. So coming to the next. On November 8, 2019, Prime Minister Modi ji will inaugurate the Kartarpur corridor to Sri Kartarpur Sahib in Pakistan. So Kartarpur to Sri Kartarpur Sahib. So this opening is being done on the 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. And you know, Kartarpur Sahib is located in the Narowal district of Pakistan. This is also very important as your exam points of view. So Kartarpur Sahib is located in Narowal district of Pakistan across the Ravi River, and it is about 4 kilometers from Dera Baba Nanak Shrines and India. Okay. So who is Guru Nanak? As you already know, who is he actually? Guru Nanak was the founder of Sikhism and is the first of 10 Sikh Gurus. He is the first of 10 Sikh Gurus, and he is Guru Nanak. Clear? So on November 8, 2019, Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate this Kartarpur corridor. Next, JSW and the Indian Olympic Association announced the launch of the India House that will be constructed in Tokyo for the 2020 Olympics. Okay, one India House will be constructed in Tokyo for 2020 Olympics. Next, the navies of India and Bangladesh will participate for the first time in a bilateral exercise at Visakhapatnam from October 12 to 16. Okay, so bilateral exercise at Visakhapatnam between Indian Navy and Bangladesh Navy will be organized from October 12 to 16. Then Mary Kom got third and defeated 1-4 to second Sid Kekiroglu, who is the reigning European championships and European Games gold medalist. So Mary Kom lost to Kekiroglu, okay, and he's from European Championship. So clear? Then AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship 2019. AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship 2019 was hosted by Ulan-Ude, Russia from 3rd October to 13 October 2019. AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship 2019. Okay, well, Russia is the largest country area-wise. You already know that, and this is also known as Russian Federation. This is a transcontinental country in Eastern Europe and North Asia. And this is the flag of Russia. And you know, currently President is Vladimir Putin and capital is at Moscow, and currency of Russia is Russian ruble. Next, India has joined the World Economic Forum's WEF G20 Global Smart Cities Alliance on Technology Governance. World Economic Forums, that is WEF G20 Global Smart Cities Alliance on Technology Governance, a league of 15 of world's leading city networks and technology governance organization that will work towards advancing responsible and ethical use of smart city technologies. This is also important. Okay. Then Vajra Prahar, India-US Joint Military Exercise 2019. So Vajra Prahar is the India-US Joint Military Exercise 2019 conducted in Seattle between October 13, 2019 to October 28, 2019. Try to remember the name of this joint military exercise between India and other countries, and that is sometimes also asked. So next, the World Yacht Chess Championship. World Yacht Chess Championship concluded in Mumbai, Maharashtra on October 12, 2019, and India ended the World Yacht Chess Championship by bagging 7 medals, 1 gold, 3 silver and 3 bronze. And 14-year-old R. Pragananda of India emerged as unconquered king in World Yacht Chess Championship by claiming the coveted gold in under 18 open category. So this World Yacht Chess Championship, which is concluded recently in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and by India bagging 7 medals, 1 gold, 3 silver, 3 bronze medals, is a chess championship competition for boys and girls under the age of 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Age of 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. And every year 12 world champions are crowned in this championship competition. So from India, 14-year-old R. Praganandana emerged as an unconquered king in this championship competition because by claiming the coveted gold in under 18 open category. Okay, so guys, these are the current affairs that I have selected as per your competitive exam point of view. Now today, coming to today's question from last class, and today's question is: Kanyasri University is to be set up with by which state government? That is, you need to tell Kanyasri University is set up by which state government. Option A, Assam. Option B, Bihar. Option C, West Bengal. Option D, Rajasthan. So post your answer by comment, and I'm going to give you the answer in the description and at the topmost comment. So guys, meet you tomorrow in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.